hunade
yeah
and o disikachi ti de beka bia na oye
okay
81 send message we mo hene ba na ma reate tie ne yo eti ye ku obi ade na ye pick ni phone ehwe no ne ni wo asem a woni na communicate within that short period it is a me kind message no and na me reate ya either so record me I don't know and I metro attack na o mu ku ni wi a na pick ni phone woni wo hene ba na wasem ene wo hene ba ni mu bi na ya mo awo da be chew na kene Japan na say ni say na akwache no yade a o ma draw ni sa no no onim sa 3 days ago after sending message we did matem no oha no bi ma me link say me hwe GH page ene wan Ghana oko GH page atem didi any day
odi watem
odi anu abo atem no tisi me so mahini na me di ni ye fake
I see
odi matem to obi na me frɛ guy no say masa aden mo pede wo me ho me say me fie mada aden say am no retate na me say hey na me send video ni man no say wa bota tie bio ba ko be ti studio no push boy no wa head up pushing said obeka bibia tia no abo na me one Ghana another blogger on so Kumasi one mo boy ni ba all the way to Kumasi to use the guy ning na your preparation towards that na share GH page one Ghana mo se mo ye memma pa any other blogger because katachemani abre any other blogger and try say obey interview that boy na yin so to me ne wan kokota hu mi aseme any other blogger obey attempt say obey interview that boy eja na na ye me mo ya sa no mo betimi de sabe na kwetena mu fie mo betimi de na kwetena mu fie me de ne tifie man kasa sabe wa yarefo me de ne ya me ba me de ne ya menua me hwe no mumu hwan no betimi ate kapre e de ahwe no ena mo yusubo ya tia me saa na mo afa mic na mo de akwasi nanim na odi anu abotem na mo ye professional journalist ya mo be ya saa me se blogger bi o se wa ye bema wo Ghana ha wa se wasoro odi obi interview that boy no mo me di keke me do be court me de me last money do be court me de me last money even vice president ba omi akra was so defending na wadi na tem da say after anabook na Japan me no former president Mahama and wadi na tem serious
I see
odi former president Mahama tem serious enti ho ena Kevin Taylor ha no uze Kevin Taylor de oka fane say former president Mahama no aka no ba yese be ka ne kura Kevin Taylor yo nipa bi a o defend the physically challenged
okay
wo ye campaign see obi a watie ni bia on fa physically challenged fo ni agoro on fa mu ndi agoro wonu ni nipa wayo Kevin Taylor ye the mouthpiece of the physically challenged o kasama wo mu serious eti di odu de ko be kana ye ne dene na ye Kevin Taylor den so be ka bibi eti was start keka blind for ne physically challenged for wo mo e di wo mo you know disability ne ye adepa
yeah
Kevin Taylor keka ni nyina who say person cancer man na dene because this is a man who love the physically challenged who has good intention for them and a boy you so dey who akwase politics mu it has more can say blind for ne physically challenged for ahodo aye niam say na wo de wadwen ne say wo de politics na ba ya bedin crofo atam dia we are going to treat you as a politician
yeah
and o keka ne nsem fa dodu no nko aho o papa yi say wo yi soto o keka nsem fa blind for ho and am say said den o say wo de dodu yade na esre no and am say say wo de dodu yade esre no anabuka na Japan ko kan say blind guy bi edidi natam mo say ade na ko use blind na ono ankasa dodu no Bulgaria no on friend no blind historian
yeah son of friend
eto obi kaso ya blind ya ono ankasa on friend no blind historian tede na obi kaso ya blind ya eno be ye case fa na kana Japan ko kan say otia blind fo ana Kevin Taylor so ankasa we are against blind what say the odu ne so be politics dia we are going to treat you as a politician ɛna attack duodu na nkasa papa yi gyina hɔ dane asɛm no ɛnam so okay so yɛmfa obi ade ni obi atameboa watie duodu da duodu sesabe ana obofa kyeme wase kene Japan ɛyɛ mad wɔyɛ lunatic yɛka so obi yɛ lunatic anya bodanfo na me pacho edam anase madness anya physically challenges ni bia anya mental health disease
disability
anya disability to ono de otimi ka kyerɛ obi sɛ wɔyɛ mad otimi de edam edidi obi atam de a so obi kasab na ne de a yɛ musuo opani madu ho yaw because look the mama yɛ sa sɛ ɛyɛ mo na mo yɛ mpanifo asɛn ka mo pakwa bi etu boy ne fo yɛ me nyankopon asɛm nti I will continue to love the blind people. Me no kasei, me metu me ho, me ni na abre na me kama asɛm. Hwɛ, me da so hwɛ blind fo. Kadiodu ne yanka me kasa blind bi ama me gate. Omo aba me center, omo kasa me boa. Kwa utafo for your committee a, blind fo bi ma ho, omo bagi sika, omo bagi school fees. Ni obi wa wini back.
I see.
Di oya eni na chi no. Ba ko ba me ho wa wi school. Oso ope me ma ne dan nam. Na on fanya ne national service na me so no de be ya medene me wadan pa na mo ma ye bia gemani so nti e be ya medene okọ water region to okọ eso me wadan metimi di ama no the fear of the boy here yeso ma hwe no school ma hwe no sa boy me na me hwe no hwe yesi papa benkum ya ni papa ma ni fan hu ba wodi America hwade Bulgaria na nkasa nim won na introduce maame ne maame there was this lady I am blind and onya breast cancer do odu ya na di maame ne brɛ me
okay
me hwɛ lady no 3 good years ma je ne kapre e ma breast cancer ne koe e kokra mama bɛka ne ɛda wo bɛka ya civil lady time ba je sɛ ma mo lady ni din me ma na duro consistent oba bia so me ma na duro ma ne lorry fair 3 good years e ma cancer ne koe no e wo mu ana osan yare ye kɔhwɛ na ne mogya nyina short e na owu ya na me tu ka e kɔ ni kurum me kɔ no me ni duodu na kɔ ye ene me kyea me wote me ka mu bi ne me kyea me ne kɔ na kɔ fa lady ne woba ne ba ga fa na no wi SHS me kɔ fa akra ne ba akra a wo ye me ba sesei oba party na se bi
I see
akra ne ye me ba sesei ya me de na to university okɔ level 400 me na ma hwɛ na duodu nim lady no I'm not against blind people. It who are penny, akolani dim penny fuata, where you're the leader of blind union.
Yeah.
See the thing you the talk.
Yeah.
See the thing you the talk. Remember to us watch. I will come and continue. Yeah. Don't let anybody tell me, say, may man attention. A dumra, I'm talking. Blogger be or so ya bema. Interview do no more meeting. Blogger be or so no one so ya bema. What the uncle so my report on my police. I will let the police use the law to deal with him. Mean to me minku ni pada. Can a Japan won ku ni pada onku aboa da. Obi mekumi po obi akunua sabe wo mabro wani. I won't do that. What you say? Et more bloggers na my imagine say mudi nipa ensem huru na epesika no. Let somebody interview the guy again. No more meeting na mo hwa de.
Video no any akosha by you who saw Hinova in very mawaka in Sembri. Now said the American, many director Ben Bruce or Hamilton, you bet you shall come on, you bobo, ya pense, munature, sebebia, no cranny down near the ato. Director of our farmer. Yes, it's your tap on near what you war. See, I'm the who said very much, very much walk as I watch in Semu because. When you first one kasa uti ho boni hu ne se ade abrante na ye no boni aye and ungratefulness and ama very much or kasa bi sana na
me cha uti for ni uti ensem na o kan dia na I say ya mo bi ka asem na ewiase meka se nyankopon kra no se be oba yi bible ni akoma time Yesu esanko for yare no akopọ ba ide no kan o se da sana mo yedu nine na kan no nti wiase no obi ya de mawa sabi wunyi ma ya ensemidi na ya se wiase bi obi be yi ya ma na etwe no sabi o mo ni di mpa na o run ne down ba le make ne se efum so obi a sabi enen my papa ma ochina My young man can mean black see your was our mentality no. They be our man, oh man. That one man was very tomorrow. But now the ref is all those ones I was giving you. Maybe and genuinely maybe ni ho. It decided to say you little trim. And additionally, you know, we are the movie I don't expect anything in return. Nipa, nyame kra no bo nipa wie no. Nipa yin boni aye. Enti enya wu nipa na obi ntimi yi boni aye. Me de ofa ma nyame. Yes no, esiko.
Me nya sure say bibi na o expect in return, but according to Sabrante no udidi na tem o say ne heba ne fake na hini ni fake stupid herbalist ni ade ni mguasia ndidi ni ade ntinema oya no ode kasasa
o hini ba ya obi a o start say this herbal way no ache
now for grand start
no and people and I'm also supporting for the power of herbs.
Yes.
And my home one or two people they got healing. On your doctor, but then or show near man is a way and now this one. It helps you. Because near man or channel, they were there already. Yeah, and no money. But just say a two train. In John I said or Kenya as any man but for you to say Nippon you fake no. That ben now sorry license or fake. Was it because or before fresh so in 17 and then or fake man and I say you knew it long ago. So I fake. Now someone named time to a fake now didn't actually. That means you a fake person. Because it means that you don't have morals, you don't have principles in life. Because some your principle me no now that means so a fake I have to move. What I say? And sometimes I mean so a faker. Make papa be a wire mammy ninty. Me be jina baby can say you are fake. And I never heard to say. Eti ne attitude ne the way all can media man who say ya be so in na afoforo kaka. Blind man. Because I said be so afoforo. Eti any mama running will be down but you see the person you run down today can be your savior tomorrow. So watch what you say about somebody today. Minimum beer or running nipa down. Oh, sign nipa on your neck. There, nipa bad anymore. If he says, nipa no nimo. What's it no? Then nipa is in jail. Then nipa no also no who possess nipa in jail. I feel like nipa no can last only new. I feel I know general idea. So sometimes no, we don't have to even believe in everything that people say. A bit on man, they have no basis of saying it. A bit of her, obi na kind of what. And obi on my based on influence. Thank you. Yeah, but you don't really know the person. It's very careful. Maybe the make us a blind man to very careful. Debbie, be so careful. In the acts of politics, no, me no man who near my be don't involve yourself in it. So, oh yeah, oh come on, some and should be image. Because or anybody, baby, I will come a whole leafy. Or anybody now is from the herbal way. Unless I will tarnish that image now. Problem, especially because I hear fake. Do you know, sir, or a chrono demon or meet me actual way? Because which or anybody to make now. No more could be same day in a war. Or a public figure. Into the panel, say, I am from the cry, they can take you on. Enjoy a careful for credit card. A bit dangerous.
Who's sure, man? Because I say a brand said the Alcan, a man for a shenichi and Massisia. When young tabai, and Macassa or also Casa Dawson, and Ocasane Boson.
Only, Debbie, I may say, won't be no Casa no be a fake promise. But I see the promise of yesterday is not a promise of today. And I met me as small. But Sumana may smile ye go coon, Bauni. Masumao, my shop kutuba, say Konakoye. But the alcohol say ye look. It's a yes, so maybe yes, Sumawa, as a would be canal. So maybe crowd how do console, some money for baby. Because Sumano at some Bible, Herod, or to see how we use you. Or small some monko, I'm going to remember. I'm going to your friend in your miss one diamond. I'm my name. One who says some man a woman. Say just might be a best smile, and I said I didn't come bro. The work has on the attitude, no. Nipana minimum, no. The attitude is straight to come out. You didn't know what I have tell is really no. But I said, baby, I can't call it here. I said, Obina, I said that she. Now, Yamaka said he should be careful.
Or any bear Cassano or say a war bear, Brantiano. War bear, no church, I said, for 4 plots, some and you will redeem be any daughter to dot not the DBSC, sending in other some person who couldn't know the share honorable Kennedy Japan.
Send make I say, Sumari or why you small not careful. Politics, dear, maybe dear, make us a young idea, don't even involve yourself. And one of the most dirtiest game you can ever go in. What I say? Survey who was side of the story. If me, I want to send me Campania Mobia, I'll do it without insults. Makes me a Campania Mobia. Me fa yebia especially try to know all corner. Who said they go because say will be running down on my TV. And like Kennedy, because say Kennedy is not in charge of everyday activities of my TV. He doesn't even know what goes on. It's based on Saturday way, and like I will say a idea you can run a person now. Then you are not being fair to him. What I say? This man also came out and said a lot of things. You see, seven no, now becomes a train. I've been one. Conform the general one now. Be to me more for not yet. Yes. In seven one man, you don't do it. Kennedy, you know, Osha, I might swallow. That was the same thing that happened. I met, you know, from information. Now you have Sapono, Obia would that. It's Kennedy did bar screen and also a year and you conform a pass and no year. In a conform the share, like Kennedy said, the same thing wanted to happen. Maybe the meaning who is behind the plots, I have no idea what the plot is. But if it's true, then Ghana maybe I can say, Benchini Pankwa, now they are pet to me, and I says, baby, I do. I said, I remember.
That's a sad day, what that.
But maybe a minimum who say that. Say, about you being quite, especially blind man, say, my genuine candy. For what? And if you are say, send your kind, Bonnie. It's not make us say, only be idea, shall we? Me no, Obia said, was so unsadan, ye yin bonia. Because also unsa, only 2 year old 7. What him said, 7 animal. Why I said, spiritually, no, I become like your father or your mother if you're a woman. Now, spiritually too, no, I have become a lord over you. And then before him, no. Yes, who say a bimpe, boss, no, no, yiska. Spiritually, now be yiska, mamma, now, Mokotobiano. Moon in our mind for our massy. And sadly, at Wasso, it doesn't end. A generational. Oh, papa, yeah, 1 more pay, you went from us, and I was way. Until Opia was so unsadan. Yeah, no entrano. Or maybe not patron. Me no yet to be my matrimony. But me could never be not me, come with cheers, Debbie. Because we have what do me. Because at that time, maybe and yet be a little tomorrow and cow. Thank you. It's only careful because Martin simply be all cap and Atemdiano, I think, is on the higher side. He's too fine a gentleman for this kind of game. It will help him. Someone.
Or Heneba Akasan, some more kind of say bloggers be. Interview, and as I say, a wow, be interview now, blind Bulgaria, I'll be going to do or no, be deep.
Oh, sir, you see, or no, I the facts bear, say, what Canada.
No, GH Media credit. No, GH page,
I'm only on 1 second, maybe can't be. But what I'm saying is that you need to have two sides of the story. Say Obiaba, Abna, or to say. Now me jina na me bu attend because of nipa in your car. I've not been fair to you. And I mean what? It's I need to also have your side of the story. Now for me, be what we call informed judge. Now me your side of the story. I need to let the audience to hear, so that they will know say and yes say the story that's here. You only be I'm saying, say me catch here me ba, say ko ka sem true bi. Na e ba ko do the last verse no. Na sem na dane. It's nipa the where yet mete unyina and Ghanaians ya pesade no what to say mete unyina ho enti unyina ho a susu kansa nia so be ka no ya kasa tse asiba o de when the thing was happening but what's there
you okay can no yes
no bisa say are you sure so we be say the nipa na ka no me magic you are wrong obi ha na ni kasa enti obi ba ba bi no akwati asemi na de wo ba be ka che ono wonso wanya badwemba no amfa kire no ambisa se asema wo kai ma mi hu se ne ekona mi hu na wo judge based on your kind na you might be wrong enti be me de ni America ne se ohene ba a good say or dey your friend say paper number one the plot you see right now it's up to the police to investigate and know who is behind this whole thing.
I know my visa says see I no there was a reporting and now the abontin no there was say abontin for never edikoma police and now
papa no na busia for betima reporting ono wa ba betima reporting me cry am tie I can even do a report. The police on their own can take the case up because this involves the life of a person. What I say and based on the fact say Oma Bibi Basabasasi before November 2028, November 4. Now I know honorable so I can say let me also defend myself. I can tell you something. Because the person is singing my young son, not the poor or boss happen. No matter who is it. Nipa na send it here. God can or more than by me so say a dini wo.
A dini only wo.
Thank you. You give them the name. Name now, they will know which name it is. Based on that, they will know which action to do. But this has to be swift action. Say, you remember police escort, and I said police protection. Yeah, man, so that Obia I'm finding Sakan Kano. Because you see, near when say me kasa, na me kasa tia, na be time in Kwandia, na on my muya. We should be able to criticize freely and criticize constructively and just say personal attacks. But I should be able to criticize where it's due. But as I criticize now because then there's a problem that we need to confront. And this one has given us opportunity. So the police should look into it. Whoever it is, I don't care whoever it is, they should bring the person on board.
Who is one or in a banana or plotty and as a two or no one or person or baby to scare the guy away. Say or Cassa will be so bicuna and ma was social or Cassa Ujai Casa, Ujai interview granting day. Oh, but me I can say, Miss me I can say, or no, based on the precedents, let's see with Abeswale. So let me also take this way now and say, Nipa no we are see. This is not to say Obia plan BB. No, I was not there. But maybe they made before say when your information. Any information you have whether it's true or not, you act on it. So he's also what acting on it. Say this is the information I've got. Let me act on it. Let the police come in. Because there are a lot of interviews going on. Let me clarify the issue. Because then now or they papa mbetras no can one step can. Say are they cratching na young papa ni bibo we papa say or he never can no good. Alamba he could be what he implicated. It's a right so when you be here. He should say, but the thing is that I hope say the letter is with the police. Because any police now may be network there. Maybe say police no say but me who they say any was said there asking because a whole master and our boss asem any year can say you come blind Bulgaria ye the best chef honorable Kennedy Japan. Now also ni pay on one we say we feed you and also say they have a good relationship. I say a honorable na ye the asem to no so a bear affecting you or him. Into no meaning the tell also say you on there was say what they call police.
Mr. Bear for me because if Seul protects it honorable there, you should have even forwarded this letter to IGP long time ago. And I'm sure Honorable Kennedy Japan has access to the IGP. Into forwarding this to the IGP shouldn't even take 5 minutes. He will get it. And it's responsibility of him by himself to do that. Because one will only need a fracas. I'm a can never beat Etiao. And yes, I will bring a family.
Only say, Honorable Kennedy Japan, it will say, a brand said did not temple. And one of the interview. I see, I've seen that blind guy insulting me.
Yeah.
And I know he took a picture with Baumia and then Baumia, you know, Obibe to me, they are some actor honorable.
Tell America. And at the same way, so Obibe to me, they are some actor Baumia. So, yes. Because, she said that Abasan, I send you this you. Because I. But let's say, yeah, before almost church training, people might think, say, hey, is it related to this man? So somebody too can act upon it, or because your political opponent can act upon it, and it's in their interest, said, or make the bottom of the issue to find the real culprits. That said, you better assume so, you can't win the name. No, there are no assumptions. They need to go straight to the point and fish out whoever it is. Simple.
Simple. Blind Bulgaria, you who said, or was I to the near sea, retailer so any say dan would na every day will be answer him say every day e ba na no ya ni NDC as especially Mahama when them say ukoka Mahama say my ex former president Mahama na say waka na koma and you be twa papa e who so would did that time and my way responding no who they say abranti Bulgaria na no ya because what do you mean? I have no problem with Kelvin Taylor defending Mahama. Say minimum personally, and what I see in you that people don't see. Yeah. So when I'm defending you, I know what I've seen. So I have no problems with him. But I have a problem with his choice of words. The way to me Yalipa. Kelvin, or Yalipa to the core. That's where I have the problem. Because I will criticize and I say, who do beer? Now, who show interest in these things? There's no problem. Obia agreed to me come by But to say the okay, if Bulgaria wants to do politics, then he should be ready. Because Ghanaian politics, I never go woman pie at a meeting. You bet do what I mean, you know. And I mean him because he's a fine gentleman. Who's sharing one-on-one? He speaks very intelligently, he speaks very well. Or you'll be a obuno. To me, near a piano or person better politics. Politics, no? A politics. And your place, oh, bad, that means why I already said, well, you're mark or bush, and you are ready for it. If possible, they'll take up your life. It's why I'm ready for all these things, but maybe there, before said, he can put his energy somewhere that I deal with. It will help him. Yeah, I'm one of them because politicians only know mommy about home, papa about home. And see, so who ya now to church to be a nana, Nipana ma power. Why you will go? Obi the soul so. Nipano soul son, Obi 40 at is now, guy crop wow, you send your own. It means that you have that tendency. It's untreaded cautiously. But Kelvin, so the other Susu are not the Susu. Yado Bayam. Aye. And some may free a maybe some last story, now you free a whole after the next topic. We have a blind Bulgaria, like some amount for whom they say, and near Frawo and Mobo and you fra for Sebi, Omo air Mobo disabled people Nakata in general, and Sebi, Omo air Mobo. They don't expect him to be saying the things that he's saying or doing what he's doing. Who they say if you are Kasama blind before you nana?
Oh, Kasama blind for some of me so bad. Or Bema blind for that's what I was answering.
Say be a
and as of
politics more a bit to me about this.
And I make I say, me need any problem. Disability is not inability. They be I don't even want to use the word disability because Ocean we are here. Most of them they have one or two issues here and there, but they've achieved what the able people can do. It's disability they may better I don't be creative. But what I'm saying is this: say if genuinely he wants to enter into politics, baby or feedback wrong. What's in there? Baby or attacking ban wrong. Because at this time, I said, "Who can say why nam and I that apostle? Ah, yeah. What I say? Well, who's sad now the who realm straight. Now start to say, bashing for I said, man, who you know, so one. That apathy now, I said, for Yamau, and now sympathy, a bed die down, it will weigh down. Because of that, now come one, yes, and yes, and see, sir. Sympathy and for really around you lose it. Now when you lose that, you maybe have the ability to get people, going with you.
So sympathy, in a back and say a amount of force and this and scaka criteria. Free say,
yeah, but I always send you scare. It's because of your condition. Now anybody who say, oh, make me hear you okay. You jaw on a loner. Can you handle it? And as I said, and if you wake up, now go wake up. Where's also there's a life be a short because I can't be any rap. And see, as much as possible, no maybe they make us disabled, there be our challenge. And he's doing very well. You are doing yeah, why or pa Nitiba.
And some other director will be a blind cap on the wardrobe by year. I'm sure you know, ship on no more, only in the view, just saying. A baby said, dear own politics. Or he na I'm sure a behave in the pan. Yeah, quite next topic, so no me patch or Busia, Yadamase. Someone bread na mujina life no so am I or comment be as in be say be a obey to me edia to home me beje brania kan na amo yeah for next topic so more Israel who say Israel Ghana fo egu honom almost so de nya ade omo beba because obi kra say ne yere ne ma omo ba de no omo beye de no omo be die ni ade ye beye de ye be start abrabo say na say omo nyo wadwen say omo beba meanwhile I heard somewhere also one near my apostle Israel. Oh, ha, now you must show say Busuni and your brain. But they are a cry, your bar way deep, but almost said they be yamba. You could have video no embra, your bar, your day in commercial channel ever to us. Video no end year ready. But, there have been bruised. Yeah. See, Israel for almost any idea of mobile.
Well, that is our own cup of tea. Remember now, man, saying Ghana, remember a cup of tea. But I see, I sent a bad signal to Yekna. I said, Ghana as people, are we that desperate? Say even maybe crying, do say a record, no. And I don't know what to say, but they need to come home. Your home is your home. Yeah, top one was a major now. Yeah, you couldn't pass major now. And I'm going to say, man, the government. Just say, Ghana, say, I'm a baby crying, you cry back home. Now, I said, I may want that say a bit in Kobo. Pakistan. The footballers, a bit to me call Sudan, a bit to me call Ghana, ya for power. A bit how big money are making, but Ghana for.
So bit to be free cut up.
Who call Iceland? No Kobobo, or be call India, no Kobobo. And a worry. Maybe I had you call but Ghana, as you say, you're progressing, you're biachi, and they're dangerous. Because Israel and America, Israel and Canada, not to Papa, I'll say Mukai diameter. Is your country that bad? And then America won't say, is it that bad? Or be to me call Somalia, or see me come up. How do you play ball there?
Video no I ready director mean to one with it. Young video no quick one, you're back. You don't come watch each other ever to us.
Yeah, the Ghana community in Israel felt safer in Israel. With the help of the embassy, they've communicated to us, giving us instructions, basically what you do and what not to do. They've made us to understand that if you don't have anything to do outside, you don't need to go outside. But if you have something to go outside, you can go outside. We should try not to get ourselves involved in a lot of activities. To say, to have a distance, and say, and be at a safer place and be at a safer place. I'm not planning to come back to Ghana because, me in particular, I've got a newborn baby who is just, 4 months, and I've got a wife. I can't leave my wife and jump to Ghana. And the Ghana community, they are not ready to leave to Ghana unless, the West confronts us.
Wow.
Yeah, the Ghana community in Israel felt safer in Israel. With the help of the embassy, they've communicated to us, giving us instructions, basically what you do and what not to do. They've made us to understand that if you don't have anything to do outside, you don't need to go outside. But if you have something to go outside, you can go outside. We should try not to get ourselves involved in a lot of activities. To say, to have a distance, and say, and be at a safer place and be at a safer place. I'm not planning to come back to Ghana because, me in particular, I've got a newborn baby who is just, 4 months, and I've got a wife. I can't leave my wife and jump to Ghana. And the Ghana community, they are not ready to leave to Ghana unless, the West confronts us.
Wow.
Yeah, the Ghana community in Israel felt safer in Israel. With the help of the embassy, they've communicated to us, giving us instructions, basically what you do and what not to do. They've made us to understand that if you don't have anything to do outside, you don't need to go outside. But if you have something to go outside, you can go outside. We should try not to get ourselves involved in a lot of activities. To say, to have a distance, and say, and be at a safer place and be at a safer place. I'm not planning to come back to Ghana because, me in particular, I've got a newborn baby who is just, 4 months, and I've got a wife. I can't leave my wife and jump to Ghana. And the Ghana community, they are not ready to leave to Ghana unless, the West confronts us.
Wow.
Yeah, the Ghana community in Israel felt safer in Israel. With the help of the embassy, they've communicated to us, giving us instructions, basically what you do and what not to do. They've made us to understand that if you don't have anything to do outside, you don't need to go outside. But if you have something to go outside, you can go outside. We should try not to get ourselves involved in a lot of activities. To say, to have a distance, and say, and be at a safer place and be at a safer place. I'm not planning to come back to Ghana because, me in particular, I've got a newborn baby who is just, 4 months, and I've got a wife. I can't leave my wife and jump to Ghana. And the Ghana community, they are not ready to leave to Ghana unless, the West confronts us.
Wow.
When nipa no kasa no your friend is set kuju one joy prime for NHS education in joy news na say ayare hosem because wo hwe ne eja ato honom ne bombs ahodo na also wo yere e new baby into womba it's gonna that bad
and I make I say my friend request me
to the extent say
yeah
a wo background
yeah
metal
but when the be make I say asem bi o say ka kire ma yenka ya wo America ya wo Germany ya wo Canada asem first on ga cho say America is the greatest nation on this earth.
When you say madam for the US, when you must say America is the land of possibility.
Thank you. In your mind, they are sure with you, no. And mom, you are so confident, say, no matter yes, you will prove Mubia or the hop.
Then mine comes first.
And no, not be sure Osama bin Laden. Time now, no person of bomb me one the third plane now, Omonium Kuena, and Miala. It show patriotism. Ghana, that's what we are lacking now. Yeah, man, I woman. Yeah, cousin, Baba Bianto. Oh, Ghana, I knew. Oh, Ghana, here. Near my one in Kwan, a cat at 2 college. It's on your chance not called Somalia. I don't know where Somalia is. The Horn of Africa. Was it Somalia is better than Ghana? I mean, football like you say Somalia is better. And I'm sorry, you're a mad person.
I am mad to say.
No, you see, Sabi I won't say my say. But the way Ghana, those times, only said, not yet South Africa, Ghanaians don't want to go to South Africa. You are you who said they are below us. Those are not the country part. Your person acquire US and UK. Yeah, every time in that UK, you don't even need a visa to go. So that make us Ghana ya fosa. Ghana about fosa. Say will be oha. Me kuna to kai. Why Dubai?
Oh, na obi ejuma Dubai.
Na Dubai place I is yet more.
Oh.
Na me cannot see you.
Matthias, na say nia onu ahwe Dubai ne ohwe Ghana.
No, you see, and I make us say ya for to do. No, me patch say you penny for na ma man na ye fo.
Okay.
Ayafo a say wo bi sori wa ha, was who took out kwan, was me call Tanzania. Na ka de Ghana baba tutu Tanzania ho. The American penny bi o tiem bia be mu say, the American is the right wo the Ghana, the land of gold, baba tutu Tanzania, Somalia ho. What are we talking about? But only and penny for na said they should fix what they have destroyed. Because almost say on minor to the extent say you can't junk country Ghana can your economy no minor CCU junk amaya uko hu amaya Ghana any compete economically obeta wonum Somalia for nyina hye mu ho e ho na ye hye enti me ne wo nyina no when you wake up call say it means say things are so bad and the government has to admit say things are so bad he needs to wake up. Admission means say you are ready to work. And now me to say reshuffle, but up to now am I? What is holding him? Reshuffle never. One position I make any Ghana for be brave. Your best and the finance ministry no should be changed. The finance minister should be changed. Your friend said national security minister, he should be changed. There are places a strategic as a son. When you man econo and your hop into na Bank of Ghana, governor no out to make a chair opposition leader, some hooligans, he should be changed immediately. And yes, I cannot be channel, but I'll see and yes, the government should fire him. You see, you don't pempen subia, send your near Marcono, say, ya nebibia, Yana Bebo. What you say? Was Emma Samitiana will be a friend from Egypt or say Israel say memma. No, apart from some people the holy sites. What is that? What is that? Debi America say Dubai am or Kofo Kasa Mukwe. Oh, of course.
And there will be exciting places.
Are you saying there are no better things in Ghana than there? Let's be proud of ourselves, Kake. What do you about Kasa? We go to Dubai. So what? What are you going to do there? Have you taught the whole way? Have you taught way now? Go to the bottom region. Things that are there that we don't know. Go to the north. There are things there that we don't know. Have we taught or oh sorry, I'll say we go to Dubai. We should be. I said it. We should be proud of ourselves. That's what we are not.
Dubai, they are putting a lot of things, measures in places.
What do you mean? China ni be answer say or go Dubai. China for who said Dubai and taking the rest of the world that obi go Dubai. Almost making sure met some chrome so that they chrome so na here place. Actually no be say make go China. Me boy, it also try chrome.
Na dey chrome for nye.
There be esa also trim. Now force na house.
Why any omo won him so go Dubai kwa.
And na make us penifo na kasa kwa bi nya aduma. Because tourist attraction in Ghana na there are times me come baby am say wow, I dey we wo. Last Saturday I was tutu. Come and look at the culture. Come and look at stuff near me. Now say so Ghanaians I don't know see inside way. And I don't say I don't know. We are lost. Yeah, lost nation. Now on my identity will lose no. You are gone. And your lost nation I can remember obi anko be on the TV. No more channels ni na and Nigeria movies. We should be ashamed of ourselves. And a soap operas. Meanwhile, Nigeria ma say you Ghanaian for. Now you say you can down. TV stations. That's what they are showing. Almost Niama ye twice and ye Tom and Jerry. And Kura near Jinamwa are chasing. Meanwhile, ye better stories when we were young. Kwakwana story. How many people? Animators. Almost Ninyansa see about those stories because there's always a story at the end of Sadia. A crowd will chase you, or chasing I don't know Kura baby. Now you're marking. A banana, you're marking Yansa. A Kura. I'm chasing. Meanwhile, another story ends with what? Something that you can take from it. And then animators, sure to do that. You're a TV show. We should be ashamed as people, and we should be ashamed of ourselves. We are lost. Oh, sorry, me go Dubai. Now, me from baby, no time say, me go Dubai. How many places have you been in way? Yes, we don't go anywhere. Meanwhile, there are places that you don't even know it exists in Ghana. Who call net to swap? Then you go and see. Places that you don't know, but they are in Ghana. Meanwhile, will be a bomb person may go to Dubai. Who can go to Dubai?
I said Ghana also thought that it is nice places for excursion, attraction. Yeah, boy in dollars. A boy, din.
Mommy, there is no way I met was. Who go to Dubai? I don't know the hotels that is. Do you know how much even plenty tickets here? No, plenty tickets here to Dubai. Quantify it. No, let's love what we have. One don't near who one now. Especially Ghana for my baby fake. I'm telling you. Fake life. Fake life. No, let me. No, but only. Israel, I said that me, I'm a tear near Galilee. Many who said near Galilee. Because, yeah, for me, baby, you are member. Do you know that
share video way or say almost 30 of journey from Senegal, West Africa, Europe. Unfortunately, they lost their way and landed in Kenya, East Africa. And I said there,
wait, remember Ghana for football. And I say, no, it's me beside said, it's is it that bad? Is it a do sa? Sometimes in your sanity. Sometimes you share him. When him say, Utu can crack up Benny. Now back, you go for your tutu. Benino. I'll be any. Near me, Pachari said, catch that whoop or back. Catch a wolf as I said, Ghana is the greatest nation on this earth.
Have you said that to your child?
Of course. Me, no, me man, you're very competitive. Shamanika said, me chop. Say, who call the map of Ghana? Where God has set, said the world should meet at Watema. Where is Tema? They don't in Ghana. No, Tema, right? Any Ghana. Now, we are placing your baby. We have all the advantages in this world. Why are we being stupid to ourselves and silly to ourselves? Oh, sorry, I was saying, who took that one?
But then maybe I'm not a director, wouldn't I?
And yes, I am correct. Me, one again, someone want to no, Tommy. But you see, say, who will be there to do what is the needful?
And you'll be a number who say,
and you know, sometimes you eh? Oh, idea now the man about watching and say, I know. I know. Maybe I
say, or Cornova, me to do your
me,
but what's it?
Oh, my sister, me, Mrs. Penny, or you, so I can't say, Ben, the abrochilin and this society. And yes, I do. But me Ghana said, I want Ghana to be something, and that should be the thinking of everybody. Let's stop being foolish. Yeah, sorry,
let's stop being foolish.
But are you happy? Say bomb air to be crew. Not Ghana, he said, me money crew. Trigger my jacket say, it's a dear one. Israel.
Now I'll be fierce.
Those times you cry, you know. Israel, you cry, you took my call. Me, okay, so I'm going to Grommy and Canada, UK, US, Asa. I brought you a minimum. Niakan na me who say abroche wo because South Africa no twa pictures ba say I'm in South Africa. In South Africa better than Ghana. Ghana sana.
Baby or hono mo a can't find but so what can say obunim de entia obi too kwan. What generalize it idea?
Because places are here concerned of go. Catch him somebody called Tanzania. Akobo be cook with Akobo.
Lebanon.
Me Akobo. Me go Somalia Akobo. Yeah, footballers. Now say I never for three. Akobo here, you go Uganda, you go justify. Now so what? No. Yeah, fusa. Na Ghana ni Uganda, yeah the ball about one. Get you get no go for team as you. Ghana ni Uganda, yeah they can I mean, Ghana footballer. We are the best in the world. Uganda. Now look at from justify your inclusion. The same way. Now, the same way now, motion Nigerian movies. You are making Nigerian movies popular. You are giving them money instead of watching your own. Musho video. Saturday, EPL. It's local league, you know, people are not watching. Now, you are cost stadium here. How can they pay them? Yeah, own course. And I saw it as thank you.
But I say, men train Matthias say,
one train. The same I can't have a child.
Men train
such a mammy.
Because so bit Premier a GF for young Kohokra, Yana focus, Sikedi, Nipa Airport, Uganda,
Uganda! What is Uganda? Come on. Oh, bit to go say, me call Bahrain, Bahrain, that's
yet. Time crass. But yet, I say time baby jet and call Dubai. I'm not for Charlie, say, who go Dubai because who says
until the zero compare. See, Mammy, zero point, Dabby. Zero point project, Dabby. project.
And yes, you.
Meba, so
Meba. Ni team one Miami FC.
America. And no, we don't have a project. I'm a Bobby Keke.
Yeah,
But Ghana for players, you have a Bobby Keke. You have a Bobby Keke. Project. Say, see, bigger players in our home.
Sir,
there be a project. Who is Sky?
No, Saudi. No, they want cash.
California. Ghana.
Catch a penny for us almost to 2 years.
I don't know, I don't know,
a crumble being in say peaceful country being in West Ghana. It is all my near Tisicaso, near Nesica, a home tray, or being home, a papatum, a would be cool. I will say, I ate to my yet this so no baby. Which I said, I am sure. We say, I that's I would say, bread and my minute director Bruce and a job, and I can't find out.
Sounds like I was about to wow, share a Cobia yet to Ghana. Ghana, and many are so high and so I am building. Ghana can never progress. Yen I say, I will be soon. Oh, sorry, I'll get from your back house or go to buy me a giant. When you are over beyond you. Besides, says sites now, Ghana, has she covered everything? Now, yen I say, ye dear one bro. Who so name is so. Now, you're patriotic, now you're patriotica who die for this nation, and this nation will prosper.
Oh, but the director, last one.
Ah, only
last one, I feel a margin of crabs. I'm saying sometimes be honorable Kennedy Dapò, Egypt for be or fine before be free.
I say Ghana for.
It's a summer for her say, dear, we should be and I will on it.
Now, and you pass on my Yamusi government. There is a show back. I was or back.
I'm on the trouble back.
And then change person may come. Become you are here and must say so for.
Almost a Ghana card, the British show back or 4 more better.
Ya be more.
It be better.
Yeah, 2 bomb, not very bad.
When a Ghana card.
Ghana, really.
Aha, too much Chebusa, Yadas, so it's a Bramaye. Na utie ye dia ye kan ya yanka ni ye wadaroma na dia che midi e dia na pretty director Bruce and am no etwetwe enkomo e wo live so e di dwuma de ne e ba wi ye medase